This time I could see the Santo Niño move. The statue's face was contorted, like it was smiling and frowning at the same time. Its grin revealed tiny, triangular teeth in its mouth.
Think of it, ma. Why bother having statue if it's risk for something evil? Like, and if you can't really maintain it on a yearly basis to bless it,
Katakot.
don't keep it lang. Parang walang ganun katakot na ganap.
Wala ka pang lilinisan. Yung talaga issue. Paglilinis yung issue. Yung pala yun.
Hindi ka pa na post-traumatic stuff na nangyari, di ba?
True. So,
Dami siya nag-suicide.
Uy, grabe naman. Naging morbid ka dun. Addict to.
Because mahirap tanggalin yan sa isip mo eh. When that thing happened to you. I don't know paano niya na-recover yung sarili niya to actually get some sleep from that incident.
Yeah. I wonder kung ano pa yung mga na-experience niya. Kasi diba sabi niya dun may mga na-experience pa daw siya. Pero that was the worst.
I don't think it's just third eye. Kasi si brother din yan had to share the experience.
Oo, pareho silang nakakita. Crazy.
Just about third eye.
Ayun, takot. Yeah, nakatakot. The second one.
What adds up to the creepiness is yung blurry mong screen na nakikita ka right now na hindi sabay yung audio mo dun sa speaking mo ng mouth mo.
Hindi sabay?
Weird. On my end. Kasi pixelated ka on my end at this time.
Wow, okay.
Recording.
Sa akin, hindi naman weird. Ano ba yan?
It is.
Charing. Kaya pa ba natin itong i-push? Charing.
Tapos, ang bad pa nung lipstick mo.
Ano?
It adds up to the
creepiness. Palitan.
Kaya yung pag ikaw, yung nagsasalita, tapos hindi sabay yung audio mo sa physical movement mo. It's kind of creepy. Somehow, medyo na-imagine ko na biglang mag-iiba yung itsura mo, titingin ka sa akin.
Yatak ka. Ginawa mo pa akong ano?
Kaya ang creepy ng dating sa akin. Would you imagine? Diba?
Nakakaloka. Tinakot yung sarili. Pala ko dyan.